To the courts now, a mistrial has been declared in the sexual assault case against 5 former World Junior hockey players. It comes just days into a high-profile trial that was expected to last several weeks. Michelle Mackey joins us from London, Ontario. And Michelle, you were in the courtroom when the judge made the announcement. What is next for this case?
Well, Cynthia, a new jury has already been sworn in after the judge declared a mistrial. This morning, she called in the former jury of 11 women and 3 men. She thanked them for their time, although brief, and told them they were free to go.
I've seen mistrials before, but I haven't seen mistrials so early on in the process. I mean, we were, an hour and a half into the evidence, and then something happened, and ultimately that led to Her Honor declaring a mistrial.
Criminal defense lawyer Nick Cake, who was not involved in this case, says media cannot broadcast why the mistrial was declared because the jury was not present. That information is therefore under a publication ban.
It's very widespread on the media, and so the court has an interest in ensuring that the jurors remain impartial and that they remain able to evaluate the case on the facts that are presented in the courtroom and not necessarily what they see in the media.
The first jury was abruptly dismissed early on Wednesday and did not appear in court Thursday. After the mistrial was declared Friday morning, the process of finding 14 new jurors and 2 alternates began. Approximately 12 will be required to deliberate and render a verdict in what is expected to be an 8-week trial. Alex Formanton, Cal Foote, Carter Hart, Dylan Dubé, and Michael McLeod are each charged with sexual assault, while McLeod faces an additional charge of sexual assault by being party to the offense. Today in court, each player re-entered a not guilty plea and confirmed they are ready to stand trial. The charges stem from an alleged incident in London, Ontario in 2018 after a hockey gala celebrating the Canadian World Juniors gold medal win. The complainant's identity is protected. While Crown prosecutors laid out the case against the accused in the first trial, because a new jury has not yet heard those accusations, we cannot go into details.
Ultimately now, there's 7 weeks of this 8-week trial left, so if it had to happen, it happened at the best possible time, in my opinion.
The new jury consists of 9 women and 5 men, and Cynthia, they'll each be paid $150 a day.
Now, Michelle, can you walk us through how this trial will now proceed?
Well, Cynthia, it essentially has to start all over again because this mistrial means the former trial is now null. So it's set to get underway on Monday morning, but it will only be a half day because, of course, Cynthia, we have a federal election.